Friends, today we have a new sound, and this is a sound that many of you may already know. It is the letter and the sound that begins words like see, saw, Sally. Do you know it yet? Snake, sun. Any ideas? Let's find out. It is the letter S, and the sound is S. Let's practice our sound chant, and then we will get on with our S lesson. A says ah, 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 ah. B says b, 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 b. C says k, 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 k. D says d, 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 d. E says ah, 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 ah. F says f, 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 f. G says g, 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 g. H says h, h, h. I says I, 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 I. J says j, 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 j. K says k, 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 k. L says o, 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 o. M says N says n. O says ah, 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 ah. P says p, p, p. Q says qu, 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 qu. R says r, 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 r. S says s, s, s. T says t, 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 t. U says ah. V says v, 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 v. W says w, 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 w. X says x. Y says y, 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 y. Z says z, 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 z. Nice work. I hope you're learning how to keep up with that sound chant. All right, so let's find out what S is all about, or the letter S. This is S. Like sail. Do you know what a sail is for? It goes on the top of a boat, a sailboat, and that's what makes the boat go, the sail. The wind hits the sail and moves the boat forward. This is a sail. Next we have a type of flower. Happens to be my favorite flower. It is called a sunflower. Sunflower. Did you know that sunflowers follow every movement of the sun? So if you look at a sunflower, the head will always be looking toward the sun. I think that's pretty cool. Sail, sunflower. This is a tool that is used to saw a piece of wood in half, and it's actually called a saw. It's a tool. Saw. This next object is something that kind of looks like the shape of the S, but it's an animal. It's a reptile. It's a snake. And our last object today, these are a really special kind of glasses. These are sunglasses. And sunglasses protect us from the sun, our eyes. Sunglasses. Sail, sunflower, saw, snake, sunglasses. They all begin with S. Sail, sunflower, saw, snake, sunglasses. Let's practice S. The first thing we need is our out of our folder. There it is, S. And we are going to practice S. Let's make our S with our pipe cleaner today. If you don't have a pipe cleaner, you can use your rice or, excuse me, or, oh my goodness, excuse me. You can use your rice or you can use your Play-Doh. If you have a pipe cleaner or a piece of yarn, you can form your pipe cleaner into the shape of the S or the S. Silly Sally. The last thing we're going to do for our introduction of S is cut out our scavenger hunt for S. And if you notice, the capital S looks the same as the lowercase s. The only difference is the size. Let's see what you can find today on your S scavenger hunt. Find the sun. Find a pair of socks. I hope they're not smelly socks. Find someone smiling. Find some seeds. Find a shower. That doesn't sound like shower. Guess what? The word shower begins with S, but it has an SH. And when you have an S and an H together, it says sh. So find a shower. Find a stamp. Where would you find a stamp? Maybe on an envelope from the mail. Find some sugar, sweet sugar. Find a sandwich. Find a slipper. Find a string. Find a sofa. Do you know what a sofa is? Sofa is another name for couch. Can you find your sofa? Find a star. You know what I noticed? That there are things that you can find in the daytime that begin with S. Can you think of what is in the sky that you can find during the day that begins with S? Yes, the sun. And you can find things at night in the sky that begin with S. What can you find at night in the sky? Yes, stars. So please have fun doing that scavenger hunt, and you might need to do it during the day and at night to find both of those, sun and star in the sky. All right, we will see you on part 2 of our S lesson in just a second. Thank you.